What is the word? No, yep. Listen, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? We are currently, you know what I'm saying, back. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Peep the fit, you know what I'm saying? Put up. Peep the fit, you feel me? No cut. Listen, I got this shirt, you know what I'm saying, from Orlando Magic, you know what I'm saying? Specifically, you know what I'm saying, Orlando Magic, sending in playoff and everything like that. But look, I'm getting gas right now. I ain't gonna lie. Fatty, waddy, waxing. But look, I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I'm gonna start doing more videos. I'm gonna start doing more POV videos and everything. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm doing a POV video. You know what I'm saying, with a switch. You know what I'm saying, with that little swishy. You know what I'm saying, switchy on it. So you know what I'm saying, what I'm about to do is I'm out there literally. You know what I'm saying, like I said, POV video. You know what I'm saying, with this. You know what I'm saying, no cap. Hey. Oh, hey, hold on. Hey, stop. Let's see what it is.
Chicken sticks from Slim
Ain't no way.
Tender.
I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? This gas is expensive nowadays because $92 for it, you know what I'm saying? What? Every 2 days is crazy. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a point of view drive, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to go to Walmart. Like I said, I don't go nowhere. I'm just going to Walmart, you know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm about to do, you know what I'm saying? A little POV drive to Walmart, you know what I'm saying? With the, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see how I go. We're gonna see how I get. There's already a police officer down the street that was watching me. You know what I'm saying? I had the other guys, so I had to, I don't know if the wind blowing. But it was already a police officer that the other guys used to watch me and stuff like that, so I had to come to this one right here. Because, you know what I'm saying, they like to bother me out here. And I already got like some tickets I ain't in, you know what I'm saying, I gotta pay off. But yeah, though, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, I'm turning the camera on when I'm getting to the whip. All right, but we in the space mobile, you know what I'm saying? The whip is kind of messy, you know what I'm saying? Don't mind it. The whip is kind of messy, so don't mind it. But no, we're in the space mobile, you get me? So trying to get active. I'm saying I'm putting that screen on and I'm turning the traction off. Like I said, my thing is not a Christmas tree, bro. Don't try to come for me and say I got a Christmas tree on my thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we doing a POV drive, you know what I'm saying? With the you know what I'm saying? Switch. You know what I'm saying? No cap. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's get active, you know what I'm saying? Hold up. I'm saying POV drive with the, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, with the sweetie. No cap. Let's go. 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 Oh my gosh. That joint's shaking. You saw that? What the freak? That joint's shaking bad. That joint I don't think that joint is safe to be on the road. Roll the window down a little bit. Roll the window down a little bit. So we can hear that switchy. Come on. That switchy pop. Shit. You know what I'm saying? So we get that little switch pop. So now I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? Look, don't mind me. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? I'm not crazy. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? I'm just excited to do some videos, bro. I'm like, what? No cap. So yeah, let's do it, you know what I'm saying? Here, that switch pop off. First. I'm gonna add this to my other video too, so it's gonna be a night video first. This night video first, and then after it's gonna be a day video. I recorded it before, but this is gonna be the title of the video. So basically, it's gonna be from this to the other to the daytime one. So yeah, if anybody confused, you feel me? Hold up, downshift, let the switch go off and. No cap! Stop playing! Stop playing! That's gonna go crazy! Oh shoot! I ain't gonna lie, this traffic is slow though. You need to speed yourself up. No cap. You speed up, bro. I don't understand, bro. My bad, hold up. Okay? Perfect shifts! Yeah! No cap. Perfect shift. Oh, look at that. The heck? Y'all saw that? The wheels are slanting sideways. I've seen that before, but what's the odds? Like, you know what I'm saying? I've seen it at car meets and stuff like that. I never seen them actually driving on the road, you feel me? Like, how do you even drive down on the road with your wheels sideways? Wouldn't it make you turn? You know what I'm saying? Like, I never understand that. Like, if your wheels are sideways, don't it make you kind of turn, like, and you know what I'm saying? And you won't be able to drive correctly, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Maybe I'm just uneducated. I don't know. But if anybody do got one of those cars and y'all watching this video and y'all live in Florida, and I'm saying y'all want to give me a drive, you feel me, inside one of them things, or I'm saying, you know, let me know. Because I'm saying I for surely love to see how it is. And I know it probably be bouncing too, because look, I've been in the car before that was like, I'm saying lower and like kinda, I guess you could say it like that. And it was bouncy, you feel me? But I don't know, it might be different for different people, depending on what, like, springs, or I don't know nothing about the springs. I still had a monster truck, so I couldn't even, you know what I'm saying, I couldn't even, I don't know, I couldn't even really, I couldn't even say nothing for real. So, yeah. Alright, I'm trying to get past this traffic and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you the gas station where the police officer was at, and he was eyeing my car down, hella. Oh, he's not there no more, but it's that gas station straight ahead. That little green jump right there, he was over there. He was eyeing my car down when I parked over there. Let me see if he's still there. Oh, he's still there. It's a pause for him. Pause for him. No cap. Yeah, he was over there still, but you know what I'm saying, you know. No cap. You know what I'm saying? I'm cracking myself up. I'm telling you, I'm cracking myself up. I'm just saying some random stuff, you feel me? But nah, though, I appreciate everybody who did watch my last video, you know what I'm saying, because I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying, from the last video, I'm saying, y'all ran the numbers up, especially since I haven't posted in a while. Y'all ran the numbers up, you know what I'm saying. We are currently, you know what I'm saying, like my goal will always be like at least like 100 viewers, you know what I'm saying, for my next video to drop, and y'all ran it up. And I know it's because I'm posting shorts too, but I appreciate everybody that did, you know what I'm saying, run my video up. I'm saying, I did watch the video, did like the video. I want y'all to start commenting more often. I'm getting the views, I'm getting likes that I want. I just want comments, you know what I'm saying? I want y'all to interact with me, comment, you know what I'm saying? So just comment below anything that y'all want to comment. Like, it don't matter if it's just some BS, you know what I'm saying? Just comment something, you know what I'm saying? Let me know that y'all are active, y'all, you know what I'm saying, really tuned in, watching, you feel me? Because I'm saying, I really want to know what I'm saying, yeah. I really want to interact with y'all more often. Y'all interact on my reels more, or y'all my shorts. But I just want y'all to interact in my actual videos. So, you know what I'm saying, let me know if anything. I appreciate everybody. I love everybody that watch my video, man. No cap. But, you know what I'm saying, we about to lock back into this, you know what I'm saying, point of view drive. No cap. Yeah. Yeah. Echoing. Oh. Stop playing. No, yeah. Stop playing, man. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said before in the last video, y'all haven't drove, like, Mopar is the most fun car I ever drove in my life. Even though people be hating on it because it's like a heavy car, and they say it's a boat. If you know how to drive, you shouldn't even worry about it. I'm like, a lot of people, they be saying that Mopar is trash because it's a boat, and I'm saying it's so heavy and big. But bro, just learn how to drive and you'll be good. Trust. Like, if you learn how to drive, you'll be good, and you'll drive this Mopar like, you know what I'm saying, it ain't nothing. You feel me? Oh yeah. So look, I'm saying, yeah, like, seriously, y'all learn how to drive, y'all be perfectly fine. Trust. Oh, I love the shift. The shifts sound so crazy. I'm telling you. Shift sounds so crazy. How do I tell you, my guy? Too crazy. All right, let me get over. Jack face. Oh my gosh. Let me get over. Look at that Jack face. How am I signaling Jack face? Come on, let me get over Jack face. Get behind you. I'm letting that thing go off. Get behind you. I'm letting that thing go off. Sorry, nah. No cap. No cap. Yeah, he did a U-turn. He wasn't even going nowhere. Alright, bet. Currently getting to Walmart, my destination. My destination. My destination. My destination. My destination. Yeah, let's get right here. You know what I'm saying? You already know we gotta park handicap every time. You know what I'm saying? If it's not handicap, it's not the right parking spot for me. You know what I'm saying? If it's not handicap, it's not the right parking spot for me. Parking handicap every time. So put a jump and drive real quick. Let me get my handy dandy needs that I need. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Things like that, things of that nature. Turn the junk off, turn the whippy on off. You feel me? And trying to get out. You know what I'm saying? Let me see how she looking. See how she looking. Yeah, she smooth. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, hold up. Smooth. But yeah, going to Walmart. No yap. Yes, sir. All right, bet. Let's go. And now we out, you know what I'm saying, with the, you know what I'm saying, yeah, with the meal. And I just noticed too, I've been recording this whole time on 30 frames per second. I have not been recording on 60, so, you know what I'm saying, it might look bad, I ain't gonna lie. But we're out. I ain't gonna lie, you know I'm a dad now, so I gotta, you know what I'm saying, gotta cook. There's a car meet over there somewhere. We gonna go check over there, see if there's a car meet over there. I hear cars, I hear a lot of cars, so we're gonna go check over there, right? But yeah, I say I'm a dad now, so yeah. And if it is a car meet out here, this is so random because I truly did not know it was going to be a car meet today. I mean, it's Saturday, but I truly did not know there was nothing going on. I just literally was going to the store because we're going to make spaghetti tonight. So I'm about to go over there and try to see, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to get a little recording of some of the cars, whatever. If you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? Just to get a little bit of recording of some of the cars. So yeah, that's what we're about to do right now. We're about to just cruise by, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, kind of get an idea. And like, see if we see anything cool. But then I ain't going to lie, I'm not staying out. I'm literally going straight to the house because like I said, I got a family at home waiting on me. But I also knew I wasn't tripping when I heard a lot of cars and a lot of bikes going around. I heard a lot of cars and a lot of bikes just like racing down the streets and stuff like that. So I hear music. Like if you've been to a Florida car meet, y'all know y'all hear the music and y'all can tell that it's something going on. You feel me? And over there like a lot of cars over there too. So we can just cruise through that joint real quick. Cruise through. Oh yeah, there's definitely something going on over here. We're gonna cruise through and try to see what's going on right here. But yeah, kind of smooth, you feel me? And we ain't that, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, striker thing with a switchy, with the switchiana. You know what I'm saying? I can't even go this way. That's not even the right way to go. It looks slight though, it looks something slight. It don't look too crazy. Little GTR thing though, what? Little GTR thing though, hold up. The GTR thing right there. Okay. Let's go through here and let's try to see what's going on. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I'm not gonna be here for long. I'm just going here just to, you know what I'm saying, just to drive through. You feel me? I ain't got nothing too crazy going on. So yeah, I'm just going through here to drive through. My windows up too. I ain't gonna lie. I be nervous to go to the car. I ain't been in the car so long. People be staring, so I'm just roll my windows up just because I don't want to talk. No, I don't want to see nobody. Nothing. I just want to cruise through. You know what I'm saying? Get an idea of what's here. You know what I'm saying? Look, ain't gonna lie. Those wheels, look, they look cool on that little thing. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? See, these car meets don't be the same no more. I ain't gonna lie. These car meets like truly don't be the same. It'd be like, I don't know. It don't be the same no more. But it is, you know what I'm saying? It do sound and seem hella active. How do I tell you? Okay. What are we waiting on? I gotta hurry up and go. I got, you know what I'm saying, things, you know what I'm saying, I gotta do. You feel me? No, yeah. Oh my gosh, bright lights. Dang. These bikes is deep though. I ain't gonna lie, what? Bike's deep though. You feel me? I guess this is like where the main stuff is at. Cause like everything and everybody is over here. So, but it don't seem nothing too crazy. It was a Puerto Rican parade today, so probably like because of the Puerto Rican parade, everybody's like meeting up. You know what I'm saying, out here. It's like a lot of. Oh my gosh, what is that? I don't know what that is, and I don't know what I'm looking at. I ain't gonna act like I know what I'm looking at, but yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It's something chill. That joint right there is tough. That right there is tough. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta admit, that joint right there is tough. These right here is hard. And the boys here too, so I'm saying, I might just get out of here. I just wanted to cruise through just because, I'm saying, you know, I just wanted to see where we're at the freak. I ain't supposed to be cussing. I just wanted to see what was going on, you feel me? Back to our, you know what I'm saying, adventure. I might end the video off right now, I ain't gonna lie, to be honest with you, because like I said, it was just like a little POV for me going, you know what I'm saying, to the store, you know what I'm saying, around with eyes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Everybody, I want y'all to hit that subscribe button. Like this video. I appreciate everybody who do watch this video. Comment below. Like I said, I want interaction. Comment below. And just, you know what I'm saying, show me love. I appreciate everybody who do tune in. And yeah, I just hope everybody have a good day. I hope everybody take care of this stuff. And I hope everybody doing good, you feel me? Just, you know what I'm saying, yeah. Subscribe, you know what I'm saying?